The word of the day is accent. The spelling is A-C-C-E-N-T. It is a noun, meaning a way of pronouncing a language related to a place or social background. Sentence: the accent says, otherwise, I was born in New York. Once again, the word of the day is accent. The word of the day is afford. The spelling is A-F-F-O-R-D. It is a verb, meaning have enough money or time for something. Sentence: don't spend more than you can afford. Once again, the word of the day is afford. The word of the day is adventure. The spelling is A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E. It is a noun, meaning an unusual, exciting, and daring experience. Sentence: their thirst for adventure took them to many strange places. Once again, the word of the day is adventure. The word of the day is algae. The spelling is A-L-G-A-E. It is a noun, meaning some plants that do not have true stems, roots, and leaves. Sentence: algae has clogged the intake to the water turbine. Once again, the word of the day is algae. The word of the day is aggressive. The spelling is A-G-G-R-E-S-S-I-V-E. It is an adjective, meaning very angry or hostile. Sentence: their cat becomes very aggressive if you try to get near her kittens. Once again, the word of the day is aggressive. The word of the day is ab-uh-kuhss. The spelling is A-B-A-C-U-S. It is a noun, meaning a frame with rows of wires along which beads are slid, used for counting. Sentence: they also learned to use the ab-uh-kuhss. Once again, the word of the day is ab-uh-kuhss.